I missed some drops this year and this past year, and it's only right I double back and grab those because I want to compare them to what we have today. Let's get into this video. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and I will say y'all been showing me a lot of love, but since y'all been showing so much love, it's only right we start with this. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. It helps my community grow. It helps y'all see my videos first. I appreciate y'all. Now let me explain myself. This clipper, I meant to get it, but I was like, that price a little steep. Shout out Jonesy Cuts. He been telling me to grab this clipper and I finally got it. Now I didn't pay retail. I paid way less than retail, but I got it. This is something I want to compare to some of the things we have now. So let me just review this clipper and understand what it is and how it operates before I jump into that. Package. We got a package for y'all today. Now, eventually I'm gonna be comparing some of these clippers, but for right now, I'm gonna just get the ones that I want to compare. That way we can help y'all decide what y'all want to pick up. Now I'm gonna tell y'all right now, some of y'all think I get paid by a company and I'm paid for my opinion and all this other stuff. I break down these clippers so that it makes it easier for y'all to decide, is it worth it for you or not? Some of y'all getting mad at me in the comments over what I say. Oh well, that's my opinion. But I'm not telling y'all to buy this. Y'all gotta figure out if it's worth it to y'all or not. That's it. Now let's open this box up. Now in the box, we got a thank you card with a discount code on it. So shout out Clipper Vote. That's where I got these from. I've bought from them before. Great experience. Definitely look them up if you haven't already. In the box, we have the ANDIS reCON. Let's go. Y'all see it. Now underneath the clipper, we got a brush that says Clipper Vault on it. So shout out to Clipper Vault for that. Now let me tell y'all something. I didn't pick these up the first time and I probably should have. I heard mixed reviews on them, so I want to give y'all my personal opinion and see if this is something that's even worth it, especially now that they're not as talked about as they once were. So on the box, we got the DLC coated phase blade. I love the phase blade. If you don't know, now you know. It's one of my favorite blades. It says 9,000 SPM, so strokes per minute. That's one thing I noticed about ANDIS. They don't say RPM, they go by SPM, strokes per minute. I talked to some of y'all before in the video, so we ain't gonna get back into that. 4-hour runtime on a linear motor. That's interesting because I feel like a lot of these linear vector motor clippers are not lasting no 4 hours. We have enough vector and linear motor clippers to be able to compare and see which ones are good and see which ones aren't. And I guess that's the end goal for me. In a couple videos, we'll compare and we'll go over all that. USB-C charging with premium charging stand. Now in the box, you have from a 0 guard to a 4 guard. Double magnet ANDIS guards, of course. One thing I like about the new ANDIS clippers, they are interchangeable covers. So you can customize it a little bit, not too much. ANDIS, we definitely need new faces, new covers for these clippers. If we can get special colors, that'll be fire. Just come out with the colors. I'll buy them. But yeah, let's get into this clipper. I do like the ANDIS boxes. They all come pretty similar. On top it says ANDIS. You open it up, it's got reCON. And then on the inside, it talks about the warranty. I'm sure y'all seen plenty of videos on these, but this is my first time, so I don't care. So once you open it up, you got your charging stand. Now all the newest ANDIS clippers come with a charging stand that looks like this. I'm kind of curious to see if other clippers fit on this charging dock. Now here is the clipper. From the feel of it, it feels like a smaller clipper. Oh yeah, this is definitely smaller. This is definitely a skinnier clipper than I thought it would be. There you have it. ANDIS reCON. You got the reCON phase blade on there. If I had to guess, that's the gunmetal plate on it. It feels nice. One thing I will say, the ANDIS right here on the lever, that's fire. Small lever. I'm not used to ANDIS clippers having a lever. It still feels weird to me because my MV2 doesn't have a lever, like a click lever, I mean. So this is very interesting. It feels different, I don't know. It feels like a nice click lever though. You got your power button on the side, the window right here. You know, all the vector and linear motors are coming with the window, but that's where you sit your thumb. But if you look on the inside, there's an ANDIS logo, and that actually looks fire in there. But you got this little grip right here. I don't know about this grip simply because when I'm holding it, my thumb's on the window, so the grip down here doesn't really make sense, but maybe it's for design purposes. It's cool, I just don't understand the purpose of it. You got your grooves in the back, but this is not like a big clipper at all. It's a small clipper. It's pretty skinny. It's skinnier than I thought. In pictures, it looks skinny, but this is skinnier than I thought for sure. On the bottom, you got your 2 prongs for the charging dock, and you have a USB-C. The only thing with this, I've never seen ANDIS do like a shallow tooth blade on a clipper, so I'm kind of curious about that because I know most of my ANDIS clippers has a decent crunch. So I'm curious to see how that cuts. Out the box, it came pretty close. It's just not as close as I'd like. So I will probably move that up, but I'm gonna try it out first and see. But here's how it sounds. It sounds pretty quiet. It's not loud at all. I feel like most of these vector motors are coming in pretty quiet. They're not loud, but they do have a distinct sound. I was talking to a barber, you may know who this is, but he was like, yeah, when I hear clippers, I can tell you what motor it is. Now I understand that. I was like, man, that's crazy. But like, if you think about it, vector motors have a specific sound. Brushless motors have a specific sound. And when you're reviewing clippers a lot, especially, you start to hear a lot of clippers that sound the same. This definitely has a familiar sound. Now, had I got it release day, I probably would have been like, oh, this sounds crazy. But then I would have been like, all these other clippers have a familiar sound. But it's nice. It's nice. It was what I was expecting, but at the same time, it wasn't. So I'm a little on the fence about this one. We'll see how this goes. I'm interested. Now let's get back to this box. You got purple double magnet guards. I love the double magnet guards, so I'm glad I just got a bunch of them. Because at one point, if you know, these was hard to come by. They was really, really hard to get. When they stopped making them, the barber community was tripping. So thanks for the guards. Charging cord, gold and black covers, charging block, clipper brush, oil, and a booklet. But I'm gonna take these for a spin this week, and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't record many haircuts with this clipper, and I'm gonna tell you why. I'm not a vector motor guy. This is not the clipper for me. I tried to like it, I just don't. It's not the clipper for me. I'm not telling you not to buy it because it does work for some of y'all. Jose loves this clipper. Me and Jazz, it just didn't work for us. The clipper's cool. I'm gonna say one thing though. This blade is not the same blade that's on the Phenom. And it's not the same blade that comes on the ANDIS Master. It's not the phase blade for the ANDIS Master. The cutting blade, it's a shallow tooth blade. I don't have another ANDIS clipper that comes with the shallow tooth blade, so I don't understand why they did that on this one. That's the blade. It's very shallow compared to a blade you would get on the ANDIS machine. Now, I wanted this to be a good clipper. I do love ANDIS clippers. I just don't think this is the one for me. I got the Phenom, I got the MV2. These both don't have a shallow tooth blade. The Phenom has a deep tooth blade. The MV blade isn't nearly as deep tooth, but it is deeper than the ANDIS reCON. I tried to go through bulk. If you go through too much bulk, it pulls hair. I love the battery on this thing. I like the lever. I like the window. I like the smaller, slimmer design on this thing. And this is not a knock to ANDIS or anything like that. This is just not the tool for me. Just like with other brands, there's a clipper for me and there's a clipper that's not for me. This is not for me. This blade is even thicker than the one that comes on the Phenom. So it doesn't even get to zero like the Phenom does. It doesn't get to zero like the MV2. Come on in, fool. Buy at your own risk. Like, subscribe. I go by the name of Cuss by Cruze, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.